In this video, we'll show you how to download and install Litematica in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you're looking to use schematics, copy and paste structures, or get some help building in Minecraft, then Litematica is exactly what you need. It's a powerful tool that makes building way easier and more precise. First, we're going to download all the files we need before we start installing anything. So let's start with Fabric. Fabric is the mod loader that makes Litematica work with Minecraft. Go to fabricmc.net and here you'll see the download button. Just click on it and then click on Universal Jar. Now you can choose where you want to save the file. By default, it's going to go to your downloads folder, hit save, and the download will start right away. Before we go to the next step, a big thanks to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this video. If you're in need of a Minecraft server, go and check them out. Link in the description and pin in the comment. Apex Hosting offers super fast performance with their high-speed servers, so your gameplay will be smooth and lag-free. Plus, they have amazing customer support available 24/7 to help you out whenever you need it. Their setup process is incredibly easy, so you can start playing with your friends in minutes. If you use the service, you're supporting the channel, so thank you so much. Now let's download Litematica itself. You can go to curseforge.com and here just click on Minecraft and then simply search for Litematica in the search bar. It's gonna be this one. You'll see it's made by Masa. Click on the mod page. Here, go to the files tab and then look for the version that matches your Minecraft version. So if you're playing 121, find the Litematica for 121 version. You can filter it by game version. So here I want to download for version 120.1, and then what I can do is click on the three dots on the right and click on download file. Save it somewhere in your PC and it'll start downloading. Now Litematica requires something called Malilip, which is a library file that Litematica needs to run properly. You can also download it on CurseForge. So let's use the search feature and type Malilip like that in the search bar and you'll find it right there. Click on the mod page. Here, go to the files tab and then look for the latest version that matches your Minecraft version. So for me, it's going to be version 121.1. Click on the three dots and then select download file. Save it somewhere in your PC. Now that we got Malilip, the last thing that we need to download is Fabric API. You can also get this one from CurseForge. Just search for Fabric API in the search bar. This is an essential library for most Fabric mods. So this one by ModMust50. Click on it and then go to files. Look for the version that matches your Minecraft version. Click on the three dots, download file and save it somewhere in the PC. Once it's done, you'll have all four files on your PC. Fabric Installer, Litematica, Malilip, and Fabric API. Now before we can install Fabric, we need to make sure Java is properly installed on your computer. Java is what runs the Fabric installer. If you don't have Java installed, you can go to java.com and download the latest version of Java. And once you download it, just run the installer and follow the prompt to install it on your computer. So after you have Java, you can right click on the Fabric installer, open with, and then open it up with Java. Now, if you still cannot open the jar files, we also need to download Jarfix, which helps Windows recognize jar files properly. Just search Jarfix on Google and go to this website here by Johan and download Jarfix. Once it's downloaded, run the exe files and it will do its thing automatically and then you can close it. Now the Fabric installer window will pop up on your screen. Before you proceed, make sure Minecraft and the Minecraft launcher are completely closed, otherwise it won't work properly. You can select the Minecraft version you want to play and make sure it matches with the mods you downloaded. You don't need to change anything else. Just click the install button and the installation process will begin. So just wait for it to finish. Once it's done and you see a confirmation message, you can then close the installer. Now we need to find where Minecraft stores your mods. You can go back to Minecraft launcher and then go to the installation tab at the top. Look for your Fabric installation in the list, and then on the right you can click on the folder icon to go to the installation folder. Inside this folder you should see a folder called mods. If you don't see a mods folder, you can just create one yourself and name it mods. Now what you can do is take the three mods you downloaded, Litematica, Malilip, and Fabric API, and drag and drop it into your mods folder. Don't include the Fabric installer, just the three jar files. Once all three files are in the mods folder, everything is installed and you're ready to go. Now you can launch Minecraft launcher, and then here on the play tab you'll see a drop down. You can select Fabric profile and then you can click play, and then Minecraft will launch with Fabric and Litematica. Once you're in the game, press the M key on your keyboard to open up the Litematica menu. You can now start using schematics and copying structures. And that's it.